Hey everyone, in today's video we will be talking about how to install Linux as a Windows subsystem. In order to do this we need two things. First, Microsoft Store and Microsoft PowerShell. And then, as you can see on the screen, you need to go over to this homepage of the Kali Linux. So this is the official web page where you can get the commands where I will be using. So first of all, let's open our PowerShell as an administrator. So mine is already opened. So let's go ahead and copy this command. Okay. Alright, so now it says you need to restart it. So assuming you have already restarted your PC, please go over and copy and paste these following commands. Alright, so now you need to restart it again. And then, assuming that you have restarted again, so please go over to this web page, to this URL, and download the latest the package of the Linux. So I have already downloaded, so I don't have to download it again. So I will be just installing it. Cancel? No. Sorry. No. No. Yeah, I will just go and go to this. Okay. So and finish. All right. And now, what you need to do is open your PowerShell again as an administrator and run this command. Okay. What it does is it sets your WSL to the newer version. So just enter. So alright, so operation completed successfully. And now what you need to do is to go over to the Microsoft Store and just download and install Kali Linux. So let's go ahead and open our Microsoft Store. Right, go and just type in on the search bar the Kali Kali Linux. I messed up. Yeah, it's here. So I have already downloaded it. So quick, just open it. Okay, this might take a few minutes. Alright, so now everything is finally installed. It took quite some time from me. Yeah, and now what we need to do is just to access our GUI's desktop app. Yeah, so let's open. Let's enter the command. If I was mistaken, this one. Yeah, so go ahead. Password. Yeah, so our passwords that we set previously. How the fuck am I going to verify? So would you like to enter view only password? No. Okay, press F8 to enter the context menu. So now, as you can see, we are in the Kali. Inside the Kali, we have a fully operational desktop GUI version of the Kali. Well, thank you very much, everyone, for your attention. Full screen, what does it say here? Refresh screen, exit viewer. Thank you very much. I hope you liked this video. Please just subscribe and put thumbs up. It helps me miserably. Alright, so I finished installing. So let's set the language. Okay. Okay, so it says here I need to enter my new username. So I just put I just wanted to clear my section and mistakenly entered clear, but it's alright. So let's set it up a password. Okay, retype the password. Oh, sorry. Um, Try again. Yes. Okay, new password. Repeat. Okay. This is a minimum installation of Kali Linux. You likely want to install supplementary tools, learn how to, okay, common minimum setup. All right. So now we have the Kali Linux on our Windows operating system as a subsystem. So now we have a couple of steps left. So let's go over to this page again, and so it says here we did this step, installed Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store. It says to upgrade an existing. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't apply to us. So yeah, right click and finish install setup. We did, and now the last steps are just to install GUI section. So what we need to do is installing GUI. So go ahead and copy paste. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there you go. Password for the clear username. The password we just set. All right, it's uploading, downloading, updating the packages, and the next is the last step is go ahead. Okay,